Hi guys. One of the fellow in my nearby village. He spent his entire time in keeping certain monkeys. He attended a number of circus. You guys may have seen monkeys are used in street play, right? Which give him certain money as well. So whatever it may be, a finest thing about that guy is he trained the monkey in such a manner that he will wonder to see that thing. What happened is he trained those monkey, right? He every time keep 2 3 monkeys and he trained them in such a manner that you'll be happy to see them. He, at the slightest improvement of the monkey while training, right? He calls those monkey to him and he paddle all the monkeys, fondle them, right? In such a way that those monkey in the long run, right, give the best performance, right? So here I am saying is he doesn't use any kind of whip, right? He doesn't beat those monkeys. Instead of he fondle them, give them biscuits or some kind of food, right? So he never use. I have seen him never using any kind of whip or any kind of punishment for those monkey. Instead he use phrase and food for those things. So why we guys also don't use any kind of food? We very often tend to beat, right? We करते हैं. We very often scold at the things whenever someone is making some mistakes and all that thing. So we guys can implement those phrase and kind of and food like this in the human behavior also, right? We should not use any kind of criticism. Instead we should use praise. We should not use any kind of whip. Instead we should use the food and all that kind of things. These kind of things are you can find when you look back your own story, right? When you can also look back your own life and where you can find that slightest praise in your life may have changed your perspective, change your life, right, in entirety, right? You may have seen this kind of incidents. And at the same time history also full of this kind of things, this kind of illustration you can find in the history. A lot of things. Suppose let me tell you a story. Once a little boy, right, who was aspired to be a musician. He was always wanted to become a singer, but his music teacher all the time discouraged him, right? That your voice is not good. It just like the window, just like the wind in the shutters, right? So this kind of a negative thing discouraging the child. But his mother, who happened to be peasants, right? Who happened to be a peasant woman, right? Who rather encouraged the child, right? He petted the child and encouraged that, my boy, I can see some prosperity in you. I can see that you can sing better. And to motivate the child, that lady went barefooted to his work field and to that money, right? Whatever money it was used for his shoes ho ya slipper ho, he used those things for the tuition fee of the music classes. And with time being, it was found that the little child did great in his performance, right? And he happened to be a great musician in the history. And you must have known the child. It was Henrik, right? Henrik Hex, a very famous musician. You can Google it also. And in the same fashion, another story I can recall, right? Another story says about a little kid who wanted to be a writer in his life. But the problem was with him that he never stayed 4 years in any of his academic or any of his institutions. But still then he had a hunger to become a writer one day. He had a very struggle life. He had no parents, right? He he happened to have a very struggle life. He had no academic background, but despite that, he had a love for writings, readings, and all that kind of things, right? In his later life after schooling. So once, fortunately, he got a job in a warehouse. He got a job in warehouse with another 3 4 boys, right? He was sleeping there, and he was so inconfident about his writing that after sleeping of those remaining boys, he woke up at night, he write those things and mail those things to the different publication. He wrote a number of stories, wrote many stories after stories, but all were refused and rejected by the different publication, and it gave him a lot of discouragement. But fortunately, once he had made a story, and it was hugely praised by one of the editor. However, he did not give any kind of payment. He did not give a single pie, a single shilling. But he hugely encouraged that little boy. And that slightest encouragement, the slightest praise in his life, it changed the writer's perspective. It changed the entire life, entire career of the writer. And one day he bring a revolution in the English literature, and it was S.G. Wells. You must have heard about the writer. So guys, why I share all these stories is to make you understand how important praise or encouragement in our life. We must not use any kind of punishment or discouragement. Praise is very important, so we need to encourage even at the slightest effort of the people, even at the slightest improvement of the people. So thank you guys, you must have enjoyed my story. Thank you very much. So I will meet you again with another beautiful story. Thank you. Bye for now.